Hi everyone, welcome to day 6 of our manifestation challenge. I hope you are all feeling energized and inspired by yesterday's work on desire list. And I'm super happy that you're here again. I'm your life and law of attraction master coach Gagan. So today is all about stepping into your manifestation power. Yes, we are going to tap into those super magical powers that each one you has with you, but we have not been able to tap with it. You know, sometimes people think of manifesting as as just as nice concept or visual thinking, but it's not just visual thinking. But here's the secret. It is so much more. Manifesting is about harnessing your inner energy, your inner power, your magical power. Setting clear intention and aligning yourself fully with the reality you want to create. It's about the outcome, you know, and each one of you has this amazing magical power. So let's tap into that. Sometime back, I wanted to take on a really exciting project. It was, before I started my public speaking journey. I was so passionate about it, but I felt a little uncertain because it was outside my comfort zone and I had my own self doubt. So I decided to try something different. Every morning, I would sit down, close my eyes, and visualize myself already succeeding in that project. I was reading and learning about law of attraction. I would picture myself walking into the room, feeling confident, connecting with the people, and experiencing the joy of accomplishment that I have already achieved what I wanted to. I let myself really feel that success as if it has already happened. Yeah, it was not easy to begin with, but the more I practiced, the more clearer it got in my head and more feelings I could generate. And you know what? Slowly but surely, opportunities started showing up. People I didn't expect, began supporting me, and I ended up achieving more than I initially dreamed of becoming possible. So, if I could do that, there are thousands of people using and tapping into this power, so can you. Now, I want you to understand something important. You too have this power. You too have this power. Visualization isn't just imagining something in your mind, you know, it's about generating the feeling of already having it. Generate the feeling of already having it. Okay? So, when you feel that joy, confidence, and gratitude in your visualization, it will come with practice. You are telling the universe, yes, this is my reality because I can feel this, I can live this reality. And rest is just a time, time distance, that's all. So when you truly believe in your own potential and let yourself feel and live the outcome, you're activating your manifestation power. And that's exactly what we are going to do today together, as a group together. Okay? So let's do this. So, all right, here's your activity for day 6. It's simple but incredibly powerful, and I'm sure most of us will experience something amazing. All you have to do is just take 5 minutes a day. That's all you need to visualize, preferably morning or before you go to bed. This is best done in quiet space where you can focus, you're not disturbed. Put your phone away, close your eyes, and imagine one of the desires you wrote in your desire list yesterday. Picture it in your head. Picture as if it's already true, the job offer letter you're looking for, as an example. Imagine yourself in that moment. Experience the outcome. How are you feeling right then? Just observe in your hand. Just feel that you've already accomplished it. How does it feel? Are you excited? Are you grateful? Or maybe even a little amazed that, wow, this has happened out of nowhere. Really feel it in your heart and mind. Imagine the details around you. The sights, the people, the interiors, the sounds, even the smells. For example, we go to 5 stars, right? We remember there's great music and beautiful fragrances there. So whatever brings that vision to life, let yourself enjoy that moment as if it's already happening right now. It is magical, you know. And if you can do this visualization for at least 5 minutes to 15 minutes each day for next 2 weeks, you will see amazing results coming in. You will see a change in your own mindset. Repeating it daily builds that sense of certainty and belief, aligning you even more closely with your desires. So what are you waiting for? Just tap into this magical power. But when you finish doing this activity, take a moment to notice how do you feel. Did this visualization bring up any emotions? Did you feel a shift in your energy? Did you feel heaviness somewhere in your body, or you felt excitement or butterflies? This is your manifesting power at work. So don't get scared, get excited. Remember, the more you connect with this feeling, the more real it becomes. Not just in your mind, but in your life. Because you are the creator, isn't it? So after you do this exercise, please come back and share how you felt in the comment section or in the group. Did you feel inspired, uplifted, or even bit of emotional? That's fine. Don't be shy. We are on a journey of knowing ourselves better. So thank you for taking on this challenge and being so open to exploring more potential about yourself, learning about yourself. And remember, manifesting power isn't a skill that only some people have. We all have that. It's in all of us. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. Doesn't matter what your qualifications are. It is just waiting to be activated. Okay, I am so proud of each one of you for being here, for doing the work, for daring to believe in the possibility of your dreams coming true and participating in this 7 days law of attraction challenge. And I'll see you all tomorrow on final day together. Until then, keep visualizing, keep believing, and keep feeling that incredible energy around you. Okay, and stay connected for your daily dose of positivity, and take care and happy manifesting.